Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. All right, hope everybody had a good 4th of July weekend. I am away from the office this week, but we're doing this anyway, so if the sound is not quite what you're used to, I apologize for that. It's a little more grainy as I do it on my laptop here. So daily chart, you can see we are on an upper band ride. Upper Bollinger Band ride, the high of the moment is 43.48. We did a lot of basing just below 4,300 last week, and they've broken out above that area, and they really have an opportunity if they choose to, or I should say they have an opportunity if the bears don't want to do anything about it to ride this band and to ride price really up into and around the 4,400 area. It is really, this is going to be what the bears make of it. If they don't want to turn this into a two-sided trade, if they don't want to make some lower lows relative to prior days, then you're just going to continue to get this slow bleed to the upside through both apathy and just the ability to take it higher. The bulls will take it higher in the absence of the bears showing up. We've seen this for, well, forever, basically. Welcome to the markets. Hourly chart, hourly chart, you see the new weekly pivot, 43.1667. Here's our consolidation area from last week. They lifted up. You've seen the hourly midband here back on Thursday, here on Friday. Again, during the weekend Globex session, act as support. They've been underneath it here in Globex for about 4 or 5 hours. They're trying to turn it into resistance, but I don't put a whole lot of credence into what they're trying to do at 3 o'clock in the morning coming out of a holiday. I mean, the Bollinger Bands here are pretty tight. You've just got another consolidation. So I'll give you both sides. If the bears are going to be successful today, they seal off this hourly midband, and they really need to break the holiday session Globex and try to reach down into this weekly pivot. If they're going to go through all the trouble of reaching down into the weekly pivot, they need to convert it. If they turn it into support, well, then it's just going to be a situation like it was last week. By the time you get into Thursday, Friday, you're going to get some pretty directional days. One of the things we focused on here for a decade is that the winner of the weekly pivot early in the week tends to get the advantage of directional pricing late in the week. That continues to be as true today as when we first started to look at it. So keep an eye on that through the week. What do the bulls want to do? Well, you want to get back on top of the hourly mid-band, and you want to look to take out 47.48 and reach up into this 53 to 55 area if you can get away with it. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Trade them well. I hope the audio and everything here was good. If not, we'll get it tweaked for tomorrow because I'll be doing the webcast this way until I get back to New Jersey. Trade them well. Take care. Have a good one.